Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm into industry from last 29 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling and I love giving plenty of advice in real estate. तो दोस्तों आज के प्रेजेंटेशन में आप देखेंगे प्रोविडेंट सनवर्थ सिटी ऑफ मैसूर रोड बैंगलोर. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द प्रेजेंटेशन. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे दिस इज मास्टर प्लान ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट और ये पूरा जो लैंड पार्सल है दिस इज 60 एकड़ प्रोविडेंट सनवर्थ सिटी. तो डेवलपर ने पहले यहाँ पर फेज 1 लॉन्च किया था जिसका पोजीशन दे दिया गया है. फेज 2 का भी पोजीशन दे दिया गया है और इसमें भी फेज 3 में कुछ बिल्डिंग्स का पोजीशन दे दिया गया है. तो अभी डेवलपर ने G, H, J और K लॉन्च किया है. सो दिस इज न्यू फेज जो आप रेड में देख रहे हो और यहाँ सब जो आप देख रहे हैं दिस इज फ्यूचर डेवलपमेंट. अब डेवलपर ने यहाँ पर 3 क्लब हाउस दिया गया है. क्लब हाउस 1, दिस इज क्लब हाउस 2 एंड दिस इज क्लब हाउस 3. तो ये तीनों क्लब हाउस कॉमन रहेगा पूरे टाउनशिप के लिए 60 एकर्स के लिए. प्लस यहाँ पर सेंटर में आप देखेंगे दिस इज प्रपोज्ड स्कूल और इसके सराउंडिंग एरियाज में यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे plenty of green space are there. So 19 acre of open green space has been given in this project and more than 7,000 trees are preserved in this project. Plus इस तरफ आप देखेंगे इन फ्यूचर डेवलपर यहाँ पर रिटेल प्लाजा लेकर आ रहे हैं. तो आज हम लोग इस क्लस्टर के बारे में बात करेंगे G, H, J and K. तो ये चारों बिल्डिंग दिस इज ग्राउंड प्लस 12 स्टोरी टावर और सभी टावर्स में इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 2 BHK एंड 3 BHK फ्लैट्स. पार्किंग स्टिल्ड पार्किंग दिया गया है प्लस ओपन पार्किंग दिया गया है because plenty of open space is there. So this is how the project is developing Provident Sunworth City. So it's a perfect place for the family to stay. Plenty of amenities has been given in this project. So 3 clubhouse, you have around more than 60 to 70 amenities are there. Plus new cluster itself has more than 50 plus amenities. Plenty of open greens are there. So when you see this location map over here, project is located here opposite to ACS Engineering College. This is Christ College of Engineering. This road is Mysore Road, Tata School here, Don Bosco Institute of Technology, RR Medical College. This is Chalagata metro station. So project is very close to metro station. This is nice junction over here. So this is basically nice road. और डिस्टेंस पर यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे दिस इज बैंगलोर यूनिवर्सिटी एंड दिस इज ग्लोबल विलेज ओवर हियर. सो प्रोजेक्ट इज वेल कनेक्टेड टू schools, colleges, hospitals, eating joints, restaurants, highways, nice road and plus metro line. Plus इसके surrounding areas में IT hubs and manufacturing hubs है which provides employment to millions of people over here and that is Bidadi industrial area which is spread across 860 acres. Plenty of multinational companies like Toyota, Bosch, Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverage and much more. In IT hubs there is Accenture, Capgemini, Mindtree and much more. Within 1 to 10 kilometer radius plenty of hospitals are there like BGS Glenages Global, Medsol and schools and colleges in surrounding areas. So Mysore Road is very rightly located for tourism. You can go for hill station from here in Tamil Nadu, in Kerala and Karnataka because of big highways. It's an 8-lane highway, expressway. You can reach Mysore in just 90 minutes from this project. Plus every flat has huge windows. So you have plenty of open view, bright light and proper cross ventilation. So this is how the elevation of the building is developing by Provident Group. So white and grey color combination, elegant look of the complex. And there is a skywalk too. In one of the amenities you have large size swimming pool with kids pool. Then you have swimming pool, gymnasium, table tennis, children's play area, skating ring, cricket pitch, yoga pavilion, power park, tennis court, play lawn, weaving deck, multipurpose hall and much more. So this is beautiful elevation with clubhouse and this is night image. 10,000 square feet of clubhouse has been given. So there are 3 clubhouses in this township. In amenities, you have squash court, party terrace, steam and sauna, massage room, and this is the plan, master plan of the project, जिसमें आप देखेंगे G, H, J और K है और हर एक बिल्डिंग में हर एक फ्लोर के ऊपर 8 फ्लैट है. So this is typical floor plan, 8 flats on every floor with combination of 2 and 3 BHK. So here 2 BHK is 883 square feet sellable area, so very well planned, no wastage at all. And 3 BHK two sizes are there, 1082 square feet and 1755 square feet sellable area. And finally position for this cluster will be on December 2028. For more details you can call me on the number above or you can click the link in the description below. And thank you for watching this presentation. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more developer, one more project very soon. Bye bye. Take care.